For the first time in Singapore, customary Muslim practices associated with Hari Raya will be broadcast live on social media as mosques are closed due to the coronavirus. The government says such religious content cannot be broadcast on free-to-air TV to preserve the secular nature of the service. But it has worked with the Islamic Religious Council of Singapore, or MUIS, to support the community's religious needs. The special arrangement involves the takbir, where Muslims express gratitude after completing the fasting month of Ramadan. It will also include the khutbah, a sermon by the Mufti on Hari Raya Idul Fitri. On Hari Raya Eve, an online takbir will be broadcast on MUIS's YouTube and Facebook channels, as well as the Facebook pages of mosques. On Hari Raya Idul Fitri, another takbir will be broadcast in addition to the Mufti's khutbah. And Mediacorp Warna 94.2 FM will also carry these live for those who cannot access the online content. There will also be a special Hari Raya Eve program on Channel 5 and Suria this Saturday, featuring performances and greetings from the President and Prime Minister.